Hey guys, I'm back with another gaming video with the Huawei P Smart 2019 version. Got the octa-core Kirin 710 and the Mali G51. I'm going to test a couple of games today, Asphalt 9 and PUBG Mobile. Let's get into it. Okay, here we go. So this is on default medium settings at the moment. And having played a few times over the last few days, it's great on this setting. Boom, there we go. On this next race, let's put the display up to high quality. Let's see how it handles it this time. Okay, second race now with high quality game settings. Let's see how smooth it is. Okay. Doesn't look too bad at the moment. Oh yes, it's a great looking game, this Asphalt 9. Boom. Seems to be handling okay now. Nice and smooth. Let's go, come on. In third position, come on, come on. Bit of drifting around here, look at that. And lovely. Ramp. First position. Yeah, it seems to handle it in high settings absolutely fine. That's great. There we go, finish. Boom. A little stutter there near the end, but overall it was bloody good. Okay, let's make this the last one then before a bit of PUBG. Again, it's still on high graphical settings. Well, it's only me and him. And police cars. Chase going on here then. Let's shift out of the way. Whee! Oh, buggered up there, haven't I? Whoa. Get the nitrous. Boom. Let's go. And I finished. Boom. So there we go, Asphalt 9 on the Huawei P Smart on high quality settings. Works just fine. Okay, so on PUBG, default settings are set to balanced for graphics, and frame rate is at medium, so I'm going to leave them like that. I'm going to set the style to realistic though. I'm going to pop these little triggers on there as well. This is normally a good place to see how smooth gameplay might be. Where am I heading there? Just some trees. I've landed, so quite a smooth landing there. Let's have a look. There's not a lot around. There's some bonkers over here, I think. There's a bloke over there. He's going to get there before me. So I can't see this ending very well. I think I'm going to die straight away, unless I can catch him up and beat him up. Where is he? He's there. Gunshots already. Ah, bollocks. Come on. A little bit of a glitch there. Where's he going? Come on, hand-to-hand combat. Come on, let's do it. Where's he gone? Hand-to-hand combat. Let's go. The old-fashioned way. Oh, I'm going to be stuffed now, aren't I? Oh, there we go. I'm knocked. Yeah. Nice little house here. Boom. On the roof. A tiny bit glitchy there. Can I jump in through this window? Oh, go on. Yes. See what we got here. Helmets. No weapons as of yet. I don't want... Shit, someone's there. Someone is here already. Quick! What am I doing? I'm gonna die again. Oh, I knocked him out. What am I gonna kill him with? Yes! Killed him with that bloody thing. He must be crying. Absolutely crying. Couldn't even kill me. Thought I was a goner. Right, gun. So I'm using these triggers, which seem to be working okay. These are the Fly Digi Stinger triggers. I did do a video on them a few weeks back. Battery powered, so you do have to recharge them. I've only really charged them once though, so. Gameplay seems to be okay at the moment on here. Balance settings. Realistic HD. Well, realistic settings as well. Right, what's happening here? Red. Why is it red? Is that... Oh, shoot. You bugger. You bugger. Ain't you killing me? You little shit. Okay, this is the last go. Third time lucky, might get a little bit further. Let's see where we're going to drop. It's quite a built up area. Let's jump now. And we have landed. Let's go. I swear I landed here before. I don't need any gas. Aha, gun. First aid kit. What we got here? Bandages, a scope. I'm pretty much set to go already. Scope, that is. This is where I'm going to get shot at. Whoa. Yep, someone's shooting at me. I can see someone there. Is it them? Boom. Got ya. Kill ya. Bloody how long does that take? These triggers are excellent. They are excellent. I'm going to die. Shit. Oh. 2 kills. Right, forget that. I need my first aid kit. God, I thought I was a goner then. Who's that? Oh, crap. That's probably a bot though, wasn't it? That was probably a bot. I was very, very lucky to come out of that one. Let's get down. Oh. Apply a bandage. Shit, there's someone there. I don't think they see me, did they? You idiot. What an idiot. What a effing idiot. I didn't make sure I was loaded. Damn it. Oh well. Third time, unlucky. Yeah, they got me. Oh well. Anyway, guys, that was a good old gaming test on the Huawei P Smart. Handled PUBG pretty much fine on balanced settings. Very happy with that. Asphalt 9 as well was absolutely fine. So you can be rest assured gaming on the Huawei P Smart 2019 is good. Any questions, please comment below. Give the video a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you very soon. Bye-bye.